Make them pretty.
I lost my father in '08 and was grieving a lot and needed some way to have a creative outlet. So I was buying handmade soaps, which I love, on Etsy, and thought I could do better. And so I read a book, I started making soap, and I made soap for my friends and for myself, and my friends bought them and loved them, and I got into a farmer's market, and then I got picked up by a store, and then I got picked up by another store, and now I service 12 stores in Chicago. I got on Amazon in 2015. I'm now worldwide on Amazon. We saw people were buying the soap on eBay and reselling them in as far as Dubai. So we pushed into Canada. Now we're in Amazon Canada and the United States. So the company is about 70% online, and then we do local farmers markets. So this year we'll be in Soulard, we're doing Town and Country, we'll be in Brentwood Boulevard. This Sunday we'll be at Hidden Lakes. So we're doing the wineries, that kind of thing, and it's fun. I love it, and the company's growing, and it's very exciting. We make 11 different kinds of soaps. The soaps have unusual names. They're not named after tranquility or whatever. They're named after places we've gone to or experiences we've had, and then there's a description that talks about them. So like Costa Rican Adventure, for instance, we went to Costa Rica and made this soap based on our experiences and our memories of that place. 4 body butters, 11 soaps, 6 soap frogs, which have names and stories and come in a box with air holes so they can breathe. An organic face cream, 2 face masks, an organic toner, 28 products altogether. If you live in Belleville, send us an email, make a phone call, call us up, and come to the back door and pick up your order here. The next place to go is our website. Go to our website, we ship the same day or next day. And if you can't do that, then we're on Amazon. If you can't do Amazon, we're on Etsy. There's a group in the area called Market Wagon. It's an online farmer's market. It services different hubs. There's a St. Louis Metro Market Wagon. There's one in Bloomington, there's one in Chicago, there's one in Evansville. They're actually all over the Midwest, but we do those 4 areas. Go to our website, there's a section called Purveyors, and it lists every single place that we're in.